I bought this stack. Yeah. I bought the stack like 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
Dude, what are you doing?
No, we're looking at silos because sometimes big is not big enough. You know, I mean, we got to go bigger. This is just not big enough. It's not big enough. Broke. Come in here, you gotta get very good detail here. We had to tape up the mirror here so it'd stay. I mean, it moves a little bit, but we just taped it up and painted the tape gold so no one would know. And they still don't know. I mean, it's pretty, no one knows about it, so don't look too close. Your radio won't even work. What the heck? Oh, there we are. Look. Perfect. We should be fine now. Thank you.